My name is Faustina Kwachi Ansong, the owner of Charisma Fashions Limited. Charisma Fashions was started in the late 90s in a small space in my home, and in the early 2000s we moved to this location. We have about 117 machines, including the plotter machine, bud knife, and fusing machines, amongst many others. That makes us be able to produce in mass production. Our line of production is lab coats, school uniforms, security uniforms, amongst many others. We also produce for private labels, and we have a capacity per month between 20,000 and 40,000 pieces. Our workers are being paid above the minimum wage in Ghana. As part of our vision, we are happy to provide jobs for our marginalized women and youth in Ghana.
My name is Enim Isaac. I'm the assistant head of mechanic. I was once a finisher, ironer, and then through Charisma Fashion Company, I've been able to achieve something to repair machines, and now I'm the assistant head of mechanic of Charisma here.
We are in the advanced levels of acquiring our ISO 9001 2015 and also in the SMETA certification. We have certification locally in Ghana for Ghana free zones. We have our customers, that's our Ghana Education Service, the Ministry of Health. We also produce for the security services. We also have clients in the United States of America and also have clients in the Caribbean. We use energy-saving motives for our machines. We also use LED lights to save energy. The benefits of producing in Ghana is we have 12 to 18 days shipment time to the US, and we have duty-free access AGOA to the United States of America. Our strength is our quality. The quality of goods that we produce here, we make sure it's of the best standard. I will urge you to come to Ghana and visit Charisma Fashions to place your orders. Thank you.